Hello everybody, this is a Lamley unboxing, another US case of Hot Wheels of course. 2022 72, sent from Mattel. You tell me what that code is, because I have no idea. That's the fun part. I usually know a like G case, H case, L case, M case, whatever. YLE, I'm assuming it's a store assortment, like an exclusive, like a Target or a Walmart. I opened up a Zamac. Mattel sent me 6 cases. All came at once, and I'm going through these all at once, and I'll release them as we go. So it's kind of fun not to know. I think you'll know by the title, so you're like, John, we all know because of the title of the video. But right now, me at the moment, I don't. YLE means what? Could be an older Target case, because Mattel likes to send the store exclusives. They have not been able to send a Target case over for 2022, so it could be one of those. Could be a Zamac case, but I opened the most recent Zamac case, I think. This is an L case. Right? I'm already looking, and I'm seeing things that suggest we have an L case. Do we not? We do. Okay, I have not opened this up, I think, and you know what? This is a Walmart L case. I think we're looking at Zamacs. Oh, it's fun to figure this stuff out. All right, here we go. This is my first L case. When I do this one, it will probably be after I open the other L case. No, I have only a K case, so this will be in order. So I'll probably do this one before I do an actual L case, is the Zamac L case. So let's get to it. And it's already good. 06 Pontiac Gto. This debuted last year. Brendan Vituski's casting. And boy, see, it's always fun. Now I'm like, oh, I got to get myself. I'm going to put it kind of like this. All right. Then we have the Alfa Romeo 8C Competizione. That is Zamac number 11. One of these, what we like to dub a plain Zamac, which plain is the wrong word, but it means it's got front detailing, it's got rear detailing, it's super clean. It's like it was stock, except it has no paint. I love these Zamacs. I know many of you do too, these kind of Zamacs. So that is super, super cool. Put that in the highlight pile. Oops. That one. And then this is the 65 Ford Mustang 2x2 Fastback. That's a nice, clean version. This casting's been around a long time. I don't know if we've ever seen it this stock, this clean. That goes in the highlight pile as well. All right, here's a major highlight. It's not the head gasket, although that's nice. There's the Glory Chaser. It's this guy. How about Ryu's Ride, 10 years, number 10 Zamac, the Honda S2000. Ryu's original Hot Wheels casting, done as a quote-unquote plain Zamac with yellow rims. You know, every Rio tribute is special. And, we've got the RLC version. They obviously did the yellow version this year of this car. This Zamac is special as well, that they did, 10 years of Zamac, number 10 for this year. That is fantastic. You've got the Rio logo there. Wow, that is super, super cool. All right, let's keep going. There's your recolor of the Mazda RX-7 in red. It was blue to start. That's a highlight. And the Volkswagen Baja Bug is your third Zamac, and that's fantastic. Last batch, okay. This batch, amazing. And whew, there's the Lamborghini. Is it the Sion? FKP 37. Oh my goodness, this thing is fantastic. Just loaded. All right, we're getting a great case here because look. Oh my goodness. 84 Audi Sport Quattro. I don't know if you can see it, but we've got the one that's in the Target 2-packs, and then there's this guy. Look at that. And we don't get the taillights, we get cool side deco and we get the front deco. That's fantastic. That's a highlight. LB Super Silhouette. There's your recolor of the Liberty Walk Nissan Silvia. It was white, now it's yellow, kind of reverse colors. That's fantastic. And we sneak peek this guy. It is so cool. The Honda Civic Custom, tribute to Rio Sada. They took his premium Honda Civic that was done for Fast and Furious. We've seen it in the Hello Kitty deco. And then they turned it into a 90s era drag racer. So the wheels in the back are smaller than the wheels in the front. So it is a drag race Civic. It's got one seat in it, modified by the Hot Wheels Basic design team as a tribute to Ryu, and it's fantastic. We've already done this one. Obviously, we sneak peeked that. That is super, super cool. All right, there's another one of those Mustangs. Hot Wheels Speed Shop El Camino. That's nice in a teal color. And there's your Ain't Fair. Isn't this crazy? This is the first trio of cars since the beginning that I'm putting off to the side. Everything else was a highlight. Is that crazy? All right. Glory Chaser, Turbo Shell, and the Hot Wired. Is that a new casting? Yep, it is. That's kind of cool. See what else we're finding in this. Hot Wired again. There's the Nissan Leaf Nismo. We've seen that. Wasn't that a Kroger exclusive this year? So that's a third color, I think. And then the Twin Mill joins the fun in the L case. All right, Nissan Skyline HT 2000 GTX. Is this the L case Super? I think it's the K case Super. So this would be the second version. I haven't opened a K case yet. But I love this one because it is it's the JDM Legends Skyline, or it's not. It's it's got the JDM Legends deco on it. So this was the Super, I believe in the. Well, we know. Let's find out. I've got it right here. There it is, and yeah, it's the KK Super. So when I do the K case unboxing, we'll put that off to the side for that. So that is not a highlight, even though I haven't seen it yet. It's just kind of funny. We'll put it over here. So I'm in doing this. Maybe some of these debuted in the K case. I'll figure that out later. All right, 69 Dodge Charger 500. This is, I didn't even know this existed. That's fantastic. Love the wheels. Love the color. Color combination is awesome on that. All right, so what I'm doing, and then the 40 Ford pickup is awesome too. So I'm probably putting highlights off to the side that came in the K case. But we're just a little bit out of order, but I'll figure that out. When I do the highlight videos, we'll know that. So there's another Charger, there's another Skyline, and here's a nice, clean 69 Copo Camaro in red, done in a stock deco. You will have seen the K case unboxing before I do this one, so you might be a little bit weird. When I open these all, I didn't know what the code was on that. That's what throws me off a little bit. So Raging Express in gold, that's fantastic. There's another Batmobile from the recent movie. And Nissan Leaf Nismo. A couple more Twin Mills. There is, okay, this would be the Super, right? This would be the 70 Lamborghini Miura SV would be the Super in this case. Okay. Now I know. Right? So it's Skyline in the K case. This would be the Super in the L case. Obviously, we didn't get the Super. But this is the casting that was designed by Phil Reelman for Hot Wheels ID, and now we see it in Basic, where all the ID models, I think, will eventually move to Basic. We've seen a lot of them already do that. All right, we're going to see a lot of Zamacs in that second batch, I think. X-34 Land Speeder from Star Wars. We saw that last year. I don't know if there's any difference between this one and the last one. There's your second Volkswagen Baja Bug, and there is the Count Muscula. No idea if we've seen a regular treasure hunt in this yet, but we'll find out. Maybe we have, and you guys will let me know. Lethal Rescue. There's the Aston Martin V12 Speedster. That's the second color we've seen of that one, right? No, the third, right? Because we had it as a GameStop exclusive from last year. And there's another one of the Lamborghinis. Hyper Rocker Sand Burner. That's definitely a leeway deco there. And then there's another one of the Super Silhouette Nissan Silvia. Armadillo, isn't that from, okay, that's from Buzz Lightyear, right? But I don't know much more than that. Ooh, Corvette. It says Corvette C. I thought it said Corvette car, and I was like, really? You're calling it the Corvette car? Oh, but I'll look a little closer. So that's the Corvette C8R. That looks a lot like the American Scene Premium one they did. But love that casting. That goes in the highlight pile if it wasn't from the K case. And there's your second Volkswagen. That's your third Volkswagen Baja Bug. Let's move these off to the side a little bit. Getting another Civic Custom. There's a Ford pickup and the Count Muscula. I don't know what the normal assortments will be on these, because obviously there's the third Skyline. Here's the wheelie chair. Ooh, what's that? McLaren Elva. Look at that. In black. So there's a McLaren. I didn't even know this was coming. Maybe I did. I don't remember. It's fun to get surprised. So, 2-seater roadster. Open roads. That is fantastic. That is obviously a highlight, unless it came in the K case, but we'll know later. All right, we get another Alfa Romeo. We get the Devencinator and the Glory Chaser. So there's probably some that we'll see in a regular L case that we're not going to see here. Boy, there's some Dodge Challengers. There's the drift car to start in the Formula Drift Deco. There's a cool Ram Charger done in the Demon. That's nice and clean. And there's the Cruise Bruiser in gold. And that's nice as well. But those all look nice. I'm trying to look and see if one of these is the treasure hunt, and I've just missed it. Another Alfa Romeo, that's the third. Batmobile, another Audi. Hoping to get more Hondas, and we did. There's the second one. Rapid Response Ambulance. And oh! There we go. Porsche 911 GT3 in blue. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. We snuck that one as well. The design team sent that over for me to showcase in a sneak peek video. Now we have it in the card. There's the artwork. That is fantastic. I'm piling up these highlights. Skull Shaker 70 Chevy SS wagon in red. That's beautiful. Check this out. Dodge Viper RT10 in a racing deco. Looking at that one. I think I saw pictures of that, didn't I? Maybe that was the treasure hunt. No, it's not, I don't think. Anyway, I'll get going again. Devencinator. Again, there's a recolor of the Barbie Extra, now in pink. And, oh, this is that kit concept, right? This might have been in the K case. I'm not entirely sure. But it's the first time I'm seeing it. Some take on kit. I guess that's kind of cool. And to finish off this amazing L case, Ain't Fair, McLaren Elva again, and then another Volkswagen Baja Bug. So we got two of the Hondas, I think. We got a lot of the Baja Bugs. So the assortment was a little skewed on this one, but we got a lot of cool stuff. Now, what I don't know, right, is what's in a standard L case? What do we get more of? Because we got a lot of good stuff. We got one Porsche, looking at the highlights. We got one Corvette and Camaro. Those were cool. Love the McLaren Elva. We got McLaren Elva. Lamborghini, if it's more of a Spectre Flame Orange, you got a Super. Really think that Charger's cool. Honda Civic Custom is fantastic. The Silvia is fantastic. Really digging the Audi and the Lamborghini. Like I said, they may have been in the K case, but we'll figure it out. Love the RX-7 in red. Love that Mustang in stock green. And our 3 Zamacs. Alfa Romeo, nice and clean. Honda S2000, also nice and clean. And the Volkswagen Baja Bug. You guys tell me what you think. That's a great mix. So is the last, the J case. Really good stuff coming. This will be in your Walmarts soon. Thanks, everybody. Bye.